Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Shipwize account. So let's get started right away. If you don't find the option to delete your Shipwize account from within the application or website, then you will need to contact the customer support team. Open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then type in Shipwize and start your search. Once you find the Shipwize application, tap on it, and now within the app page, you will see the app support menu. Click on the drop-down menu and you will see the email address that you can use to contact the support team. Just tap on this email and then open up your email application. Now within the subject section, you can simply type in delete my account and then type in within the main body that you don't wish to use your account anymore and you want it to be deleted. You can then click on the send button at the top right corner and this will send your support email to the Shipwize support team. Just wait for a few days and you will receive a response within which you will find the instructions that you can follow in order to delete your account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to delete your account on Shipwize. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.